Now let us see example 3.66. Now see the question. If A is equal to 1 matrix they have given and B is equal to 1 matrix they have given, C is also 1 matrix they have given. After they have asked to find out the value of first question, that is 3A plus 2B minus C. After the second question, half into A minus 3 by 2 into B. Okay, so in this question they have asked to find out the value of the first question, that is 3A plus 2B minus C, and the second question half into A minus 3 by 2 into B. Now we are going to find out the value of the first question, that is 3A plus 2B minus C. Solution, the first question, that is 3A plus 2B minus C is equal to 3A means that 3 into A. So 3 into A means that matrix A. Okay, so 3 into matrix A you have to write plus 2B. 2B means 2 into B. So 2 into the matrix B you have to write minus C. So C matrix you have to write. Okay, so that how to multiply. So this is scalar multiplication. One number, already we know that one number, how to multiply with that matrix means that number you have to multiply with all the elements of that matrix. Okay, so now can you multiply? 3 1 is 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 0 is 0. After 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 3 16s are 18, plus the here also scalar multiplication. So this number you have to multiply with all the elements of this matrix. So 2 8s are 16, 2 minus 6, that 2 6 are 12, after plus minus, that is minus, 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, 2 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2, 2 5s are 10. After minus that matrix you have to write. So how to solve this one? That first addition we have to do or subtraction we have to do. That BIDMAS rule, first addition only we have to do, next only we need to subtract with that one. Okay, so don't do the wrong way. So some of them will do the subtraction first, after they will add with that one. So like that you cannot do, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, so BIDMAS rule, first addition only we have to do, next only subtraction. Okay, so now can you add this one? How will you add this matrix? So the corresponding elements, so this matrix and this matrix you have to add the corresponding elements. So 3 plus 16, right? Next 24 minus 12, next 9 minus 8, next 9 plus 4, 15 plus 22, so 0 minus 6, 24 plus 0, 21 plus 2, 18 plus 10. All the corresponding elements you have to write. Okay, minus the next matrix, this matrix you have to write. Now we are going to add this elements. So 3 plus 16, that is 19, 24 minus 12, that is 12, 9 minus 8, that is 1, 9 plus 4, 13, 15 plus 22, 37, 0 minus 6 minus 6, 24 plus 0, that is 24, 21 plus 2, that is 23, 18 plus 10, that is 28, minus the next this matrix you have to write. Now in between subtraction symbol. So here addition and subtraction, the corresponding elements. So first you have to see the order of a matrix equal or not. So here order of matrix equal only. Okay, so all the matrices 3 by 3 matrices only. After you have to add or subtract the corresponding elements. So here in between subtraction symbols. So can you add? Can you subtract the corresponding elements? So 19 minus 5. Next 12 minus 3, 1 minus 0. Next one 13 minus, here also 1 minus you have. Okay, so that also correctly you have to write. The next one 37 minus, here also 1 minus 7 you have. Next to minus 6 minus 2. Next to 24 minus 1. Next to 23 minus 4. Next one 28 minus 3. Okay, so now can you 19 minus 5, that is 14. 12 minus 3, that is 9. 1 minus 0, 1. So this minus minus it will become plus. So 13 plus 1, that is 14. Next this here also minus minus it will become plus. Okay, so multiplication. So minus minus it will become plus. After added the 37 plus 7, that is 44. After here same sign, here add it and then same sign symbol. So minus 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 only, add it after minus symbol you can put it. So minus 8. 24 minus 1, that is 23. 23 minus 4, different sign. Okay, so here subtract. So 23 is you can subtract. 23 minus 4, that is 19. 28 minus 3, that is 25. Okay, so after now we have got it the value of 3a plus 2b minus c. So this is the answer. Okay, so the next question. So find the we have to find out the value of half into a minus 3 by 2 into b. So half into a minus 3 by 2 into b also. Half, can you make it outside? So you know that half into a minus 3 into 1 by 2. Like that, can you write 3 into 1 by 2 mean that is 3 by 2 only. So after 3 into 1 by 2 into b. So now see, this is one part, this is one part. Okay, because in between minus you have. So both parts half is common. Commonly can you make it outside? So half if we take it outside means a minus here also 3 1 by 2 already we have taken outside, so 3b it will come. Okay, so easily you can do this like also you can do, but some mistakes it will come, so easily you can do half. Commonly you can make it outside. After inside what you have, a minus 3b. So now half into a matrix you have to write, minus 3b means 3 into b, so 3 into b matrix you have to write. Now half into, so this matrix here minus 3 you have. Okay, so minus 3 you are going to multiply with this one, scalar multiplication. So this minus 3 you have to multiply all the elements of this matrix. Okay, so now carefully multiply. So minus also you are going to multiply with this matrix, so in between plus it will come. Okay, so minus 3 multiply with 8 mean minus 24, minus minus that is plus, 3 6 are 18, minus minus that is plus, 3 4s are 12. Next to minus 3 into 2 plus minus that is minus, 3 2s are 6. Here also 3 11s are 33, plus minus plus that is minus, minus minus that is plus, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so next one minus 3 into 0 0, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 3 into 5 that is minus 15. Now see here this two matrices in between addition. So the corresponding elements, can you add it or not? Yes. Okay, so 1 minus 24, 8 plus 18, 3 plus 12, 3 minus 6, 5 minus 33, 0 plus 9, 8 plus 0, 7 minus 3, 6 minus 15. Okay, so now can you add it? 1 minus 24, so subtract and the biggest number symbol, so that is minus 23. So the 8 plus 18 that is 26, 3 plus 12 that is 15, 3 minus 6 subtract and the biggest number symbol, so that is minus 3. Here also subtract and the biggest number symbol, that is minus 28, 0 plus 9 9, 8 plus 0 8, 7 minus 3 4, 6 minus 15, subtract and the biggest number symbol. Now see here this 1 by 2 can you multiply with inside? So how to multiply? So 1 by 2 minus 23 into 1 by 2 means, so minus 23 multiply with that one. Okay, so minus 23 by 2. So next 26 into 1 by 2. So can you cancel it or not? 26 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 26. Okay, so can you cancel it? Then you will get the answer 13. So next 1 by 2 into 15, that is 15 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 15 multiply with the 1 divided by 2. Okay, so the next 1 by 2 into minus 3, that is minus 3 by 2. Here you can cancel it, minus 28 into 1 by 2 means that is you can cancel it, so minus 14. Okay, so like that. Next one 9 into 1 by 2, 9 by 2, 8 into 1 by 2 can cancel it, then 4 you will get, 4 into 1 by 2 that you can cancel, you will get the answer 2. Minus 9 into 1 by 2 that is minus 9 by 2. So this is the answer for second question. Okay, thank you.